guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you a review of a newly launched makeup sponge in market, and that is the Wiseshe makeup sponge. So Anamika, as you know, I have shared her products on my YouTube channel before also. So Anamika launched a new blender, Wiseshe blender in the market, and which is this pink beauty sponge. She has also launched another beauty blender which has flat top. So there are two shapes, one is this teardrop and other is the flat top shape. I will link a picture right up here. So when you order the sponges, in a pack comes two sponges, one is the small one and one is the big one. So it is for 600. The combined price of these two sponges is 600. Now let's see the first impression of this sponge. This is the first time I am using this sponge, so I will share with you my first impression. Let's go and first see the application and everything and how to use this sponge and everything of that sort. So let's go. So the first thing that you need to do to use a sponge is dip it in water and squeeze all the water out of it. This way it will double and triple in size and it will be very easy and convenient to use. Never use a dry sponge, always wet it and then use it. The sponge will become quite soft, smooth, squishy, spongy, and it will be very easy to apply your makeup. Same thing you can do with smaller sponge as well. Don't use it dry, always wet it and then use it. These sponges are very soft and very cute. I love their pink color and they blend everything superbly. You can see that in the video. Like, I have used a pump of foundation. This is a Sephora foundation. I have dotted the foundation all over my face. Once that is done, use the wet sponge as I have shown you before. Use that wet sponge to blend your foundation and you will see how seamlessly, how flawlessly your foundation blends. You don't have to put in a lot of effort, you just have to dab the sponge where you want your foundation to blend, and that is it. I've used the rounder, larger part all over my face, and then I'm using this concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, my cult favorite. Applying it all over my under eye area, and then I'm using this smaller sponge. Again, this is wet and it is used for this precision blending. For example, under eye area where the larger sponge cannot reach, the smaller one is used in those areas. Under eye area, around your mouth, on your nose, these are the areas for which these smaller sponge can be used. Now is the time to clean this sponge. You have seen after one application, this is how my sponge looks. Obviously it has got dirty. You have to clean all your sponges and brushes after you have used them. So yes, I will go ahead and clean this sponge and we will see how easy or difficult it is to clean this sponge. So yeah, let's go. I am going to use the baby shampoo. This is the Johnson's wala baby shampoo. I use this for all my sponges that I have to clean them. I only use this shampoo because it's quite mild and gentle. I pour the shampoo over the sponge, rub it in, and then using water I just squeeze out all the foundation that is there in the blender. I am doing this step for 3 to 4 times, और उसके बाद भी the complete foundation did not go. I will share all these pros and cons in my final verdict. So yeah, let's just move to final verdict now. So yeah, now I have used this sponge and I can give you my verdict about it, like the first impression verdict. So yes, let's get started. First of all, the combined price, the price for this bigger one and the smaller one, the combined is 600 right now, which is an offer price, which is amazing for two sponges like these, because the smaller ones individually cost around 200 to 300 when you buy from a any other brand. मतलब 100 से 300 तो anyways ये sponge होगा ही. So the bigger one starts from 400, 500 from multiple brands, so you can go ahead and check it out. But for 600, the combined package is a really nice deal. So first thing is, price point is really good. That is perfect. Second thing is, it's light pink in color, which makes it easy to detect any makeup on your sponge, so you can clean your sponge whenever required. When when the sponges are of really dark shades or something like that, you do not know of all the makeup that is there on it, but in this one you can actually see it. so you have to clean it regularly because वरना आपको ये गंदा दिखता रहेगा, which is a plus point. The second thing is this sponge is really useful when you have to do your under eye or some spot treatment like that. This is a really useful sponge. If you go to buy a sponge, you will always go ahead with this one because with this tip you can do your under eyes and all etc. as well. But this one is much more efficient. You will not go ahead and buy it separately because आपको लगेगा ये कर तो देता है, but when it comes in a package you will realize how useful this mini sponge is. Next point is it blends the foundation beautifully. I love how this sponge blends the foundation. It blends it seamlessly, absorbs all the excess product that you have put on your face, so there is no excessive cakey product left on your face. So, and next and the last point that I love about this sponge is it is latex free, which is very good for our skin. So yeah, these were all the pros of this sponges. Now coming to the con. The first con is it took me quite long to clean this sponge, so still there are a little bit of marks left, so I'll have to go through it like 4 to 5 times with a shampoo like baby shampoo to clean it. But it was very easy to clean this smaller one. In one go it was clean. This one will require a little more time. Light pink color is a drawback and a plus point as well. Drawback, आपको इस पे marks दिखते रहेंगे, and plus point, जब तक आपको इस पे marks दिखते रहेंगे आप इसे clean करते रहेंगे, and hence a clean makeup sponge for your face, which is absolute for a good skin. So this is a pro and con, as मतलब दोनों side पे ये role play करता है. Next is I got a little spot on this sponge when I received it. So आप clip में देख लेंगे कि इस पे एक थोड़ा सा spot था, which is not much big of an issue, but still there was, so I'm just sharing it with you guys. And compared to the price point that it is available, it is a very nice sponge. This is a really good sponge, very soft, very squishy, blends makeup beautifully. Only thing is you need to clean it regularly and clean it 4 to 5 times to get all the makeup off from the sponge. And with the combined package, it's a great deal. So yeah, this was my review about Wiseshe sponge. I really hope you like this review. If you did, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share, and do press the bell icon so that you are notified of my videos. And yes, if you want to buy these sponges, I will give a link in the description bar below. You can go ahead and check it out. It is available on Amazon, and I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.